Okay, so we're gonna do a video, and this is just gonna be, we're gonna see how many people are not wearing a mask, and then we're gonna count them, and we're gonna see. I think I did some other variations of different stuff, like counting the foreigners, counting the Filipino, how many there are. There's so many today because it's Sunday. I will let you know that everybody who's here is a resident, because you could not be here under this time period because of the laws right now. So basically there's no tourists coming in, and they haven't been coming in for... Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Tourists coming in, and they haven't been coming in for about 3 weeks, I think, 2.5 weeks. So basically everybody that we see is we'll count them as wearing a mask since they're just having a cigarette. But we're looking for people who are not wearing a mask, and I haven't seen any. So we're gonna try to look for 5 minutes. We'll see if we see anybody without a mask today, and we'll just kind of go around us. Oh, there's a dog, no leg. So we're gonna count those guys as wearing masks. They're just having a cigarette, and they're not actually. So they're fine. So far we don't see any. I have seen one guy who looks like, there's two guys that look like they're homeless. They don't have a mask. I don't know their story. Probably walk into them later up here, but we're just gonna look for people with no mask. And I went to a very crowded area, and just kind of letting you know that again, Macau is under pretty strict laws and rules right now. So nobody is coming in or out. No tourists are allowed. So everybody that's here is working here or in the visa. Hello. So we're just gonna we're just looking to see if we can frame. This is a popular pharmacy. You can buy masks in here actually, and actually the government also gives out masks too. So you can also collect them there. There's one without a mask. I think she took it off for the picture though. Yeah, she has it in her hand. So should we count them? Probably no, since that's just for temporarily measure, right? Masks are required by law right now, so you have to wear that. If you get on a bus, you will be fined 70 American dollars if you break that. In public, I think you're okay without one, but there'll be a little bit of public shaming, perhaps. I think I've heard some stories about that, of somebody going up to them, and one guy was telling me the story that a Chinese woman came to him because he didn't have a mask. Here's one. This guy here, he's kind of walking around. I think he's homeless. So that guy doesn't have his mask on. But I've seen him walking around a lot. I think he's a homeless guy, so he's so yeah, we would have one. There's a lady down there without a mask. She's on her phone. Let's see. So we'll just kind of film the building so you can see her in the corner there. So that's number 2 without a mask. We would count her. She probably has it around her neck. Let's see, how many minutes do we have left? We are at minute number 3.5. Another one smoking a cigarette right there with a dog. Oh, that's a dog. So, oh, here's a guy without a mask. So we'll count him as well. Let's take a look at the park here. So there's this park. Okay. So yeah. What number is that? Okay, so we're gonna walk out of this and down this street, and we'll see if we can see anybody else. That particular guy, he speaks Chinese. I've seen him before. It looks like he's maybe Portuguese, but he's probably a Macanese who speaks both languages. So if we were playing our spot or foreigner, we'd have he wouldn't be a foreigner. There's a foreigner that was right there, but so we're just gonna walk down the street, Avenida del Rivero, and we are at the minutes and 22 seconds. Just so you know, there's a Pizza Hut right here, and there's a Jollibee's right there. So Pizza Hut and Jollibee's. So Pizza Hut is generally Chinese that are there. It looks like it's closed. There's some foreigners that go there, but I think they there's some other pizza places that are better. I mean, that are also good and a lot cheaper and more authentic. There's a New York style one that I like called Honest Pizza. I filmed it in there before too. So anyways, I think our 5 minutes is up, and we're gonna close this one in a minute, and that'll be it. Okay, let's just close it. I won't make any more commentaries. There's a Starbucks over there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.